हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम सीखेंगे हाउ टू क्रिएट ए मनी रिसिप्ट इन एमएस वर्ड। फर्स्ट यू सी vividly this is the money receipt, and now we create means we start on MS Word and go to the insert option and click on table option. Now we insert for row and select the table and go to the home menu and click on cell alignment option, means left alignment, right alignment and center alignment. So we use first the center alignment, means we take to the middle position of the cell, and now we write the money receipt and first write our institute name, Rising Computer Center. Press the enter key. Then we write our address, Kalipada, Baliapal, Baleswar. And now we write the in front of PL High School, Jagai, and give the contact number. In front of PL High School, Jagai, that is our address, and give the mobile number MOB 9583707606, and here we press the enter key and we write date. First we write date, then press the dot button. This is the date. Then press the enter key and write Mr. or Mistress, means name of the students. And we write batch time. Then we can go to the insert menu or right click over the cells, then split cells. We can use two column, split cells, two column. Right click over the cells and use split cells option, and here we write serial number, particular and amount. And rupees. Then we can use the table option and draw table option. Now we drawing a row, then serial number also use two row, so we can use table option, otherwise we also use right click over the cells and split cells, two row, column, and right click split cells, one column, two row. Okay, then setting the row position, means right click over the cells, and we can also use split cells option, and two column, divide two column. Then here we write total, and use the right alignment option. Then setting the row, click the row and drop the down side and select the cell, two cell, and right click merge cell. Here we use the center alignment. Now we can delete or merge cell, and here we write rupees in words, and press the dot button and write only. Give two brackets first and last. Then press the enter key, and in down option we can write candidate signature, and press the tab button. Otherwise press the space bar and write signature of the MD. MD means managing director. Now create our data. Then we edit our data, select data. Then we can use the text format option. Otherwise we can select data, then give the bold, italic, underline. Now we use underline option and select and click on bold option. Here we can select all data and give the text color. Now we press the enter key between each line. Every line we can give space, and here we use the text box option and click on text box and draw a text box. Here we write serial number. Now we write the serial number. Now we write this number and go to home menu, increase the font size, and serial number also click and give the bold and increase the font size. Now it select and give a color, and now we give another color on serial number option and right click over the text box. Otherwise go to the insert menu and click on border option, means shape border, no border, and select this data, increase the font size. Now we decrease, means we click on last option and press the backspace button, then select data and click on bold option and give the text color. Now we also give the text color and click on bold option. Each data we can use bold and color. This is the last. Select and give the text color red color and click on bold option. Now we go to the border option and give the border shading and border color. Go to the home menu. First we use this underline and go to the border option click on border and shading option, then setting the border style and border width and give a color. This is the border option. Already you can change also different border style or border design. This is the format of money receipt. Okay.